In this video, we are going to solve first 4 questions of exercise 13.3 of chapter number 13 and class 10th. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Naina and I make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12. And for the remaining questions of the chapter number 13, you can find out the link in the description box. Let's start solving today's topic, which is the question number 1 of exercise 13.3 of class 10th. So what does the question says that a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter, there is a sphere whose radius is 4.2 centimeter. This is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder. After doing melting the process, it is converted into the shape of a cylinder and whose radius is given to us equal to 6 centimeter. We have to find out the height of the cylinder. So what will be the height of the cylinder? We have to find out this thing. So in my previous video, I have told you that whenever there is a figure conversion, whenever there is a solid conversion from one shape to another, then the volume of both the shapes remains same. So that means volume of sphere is equal to the volume of the cylinder. Okay, so now put the formulas and you will get your final result, which is the height of the cylinder. So volume of the sphere is what? Volume of the sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to volume of the cylinder, which is pi r square h. So let us imagine that r1 is the radius of the sphere and r2 is the radius of cylinder. Because both the radius are different, so to only differentiate between them, we are taking r1 and r2. So now cancel out, pi and pi will get cancelled out from both the sides. So we will get what? Pi 4 by 3 r1 cube. R1 is what? Radius of sphere, which is 4.2 cube. 4.2 cube means we have to write down this value 3 times is equal to r2 square. R2 is what? R2 is my 6. So r2 square means I have to write down this value 2 times. Okay, so when you are going to solve all of this value, then remove this decimal and place it and divide it by 10. So cancel out whatever is getting cancelled out, and finally after solving all of this calculation, you will get your final result, which is height is equal to 2.74 centimeter. Why centimeter? Because all the dimensions given to us are in centimeters. So our final height of the cylinder will also be in the centimeter. Okay, so in this complete exercise, we are going to use this concept only, that when one shape is being converted to another shape, then the volume of both the shapes will remain same. Then moving to question number 2. Question number 2 is again the same. Now what they are doing, metallic sphere of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. Now there are three spheres. One radius is 6 centimeter, second one is of 8 centimeter, and the third one is of 10 centimeter. All are melted to form a single solid sphere. So there are three spheres, they are melted to form a single sphere. We have to find out the radius of the resulting sphere, right? Again the process will be same, that the volume of all the three spheres will be equal to volume of the new sphere. So volume of the three spheres, because this time three figures are combined and formed a new figure. So volume of all these three due to combination, we will do addition of all the three solids volume, and then we will find out the volume of the new sphere. So volume of the sphere is given by what? Volume of the sphere is, suppose this is radius r1, this is r2, this is r3, and the final radius is r. So 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, and for the third sphere 4 by 3 pi r3 cube is equal to volume of my new sphere, which is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now you can see that you can take out common. 4 by 3 pi can be taken out common from all these three. So inside the bracket it will be r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi will get cancelled out. So I will get what? R1 cube. R1 is what? R1 is my 6 cube plus R2 is my 8 cube plus R3 is my 10 cube is equal to R cube. So once you are going to solve all of this value, so 6 cube is what? 216, 8 cube is 512, and 10 cube is 1000 is equal to R cube. So you will get what? You will get 1728 is equal to R cube. So R will be what? R will be equal to 12 centimeter, because 1728 is a cube root of what? It is a cube root of 12. Okay. So always remember to write down the units in your exam. So now moving to question number 3. Question number 3 says that a 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug. So there is a well. Well is in the shape of what? Well is in the shape of a cylinder. So what is given? Dimensions are given to us. 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter. Deep means its height is given to us, means its depth is given to us, then that means it is height. So height is what? Height is my 20 meter, and the diameter is given to us equal to 7 meter, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform. Remove the earth from this and spread it out in the shape of a platform. Let us suppose this platform is in the shape of a cuboid. So what they have done, they have spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. So length and breadth of this cuboid is given to us equal to 22 meter and 14 meter. We have to find out the height of the platform. So again you can see that there was a cylinder, and the earth is converted from the cylinder is in the shape of a cuboid. So what will be the formula? That formula will be volume of the cylinder is equal to the volume of the cuboid. So volume of the cylinder is given by what? Volume of the cylinder is pi r square. H is equal to volume of the cuboid is what? Length into breadth into height. So put the values, you will get your answer. Pi r square is, r is what? Because diameter is 7 meter, so radius will be what? Radius will be 7 by 2 square into height is what? Height is my 20 meter is equal to length is 22 into breadth is 14 into height. So if I am going to solve all of this value, pi is 22 by 7. 7 by 2 square means I have to write down 7 by 2 2 times into 20 is equal to 22 into 14 into h. So this 7 and 7 will get cancelled out. This 2 and 22 will get cancelled out, and we will get 11. And this 7 and 2 will get cancelled out. This 20 and 2 will get cancelled out. So I am left with what? 11 into 10 is equal to 22 into 2 into h. So again this 11 and 22 can be get cancelled out. So 10 will be equal to 2 into 2 into h. So 10 by 4 is equal to height. So it will become what? It will become 5 by 2 meter is equal to height of this platform. So see, because all the dimensions are given to me in meter, so that's why I have taken the final answer in meter. Now moving to question number 4. Question number 4 and question number 3 are almost similar, just the differences of the shape. What shape is different? Let's see. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug. So again there is a well. So I have told you that well is in the shape of what? Well is in the shape of a cylinder. Diameter 3 meter. So this value is given to us 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. So this is my 14 meter. Okay, then earth taken out of it is evenly spread out in the shape of a circular ring. They have made a circular ring whose diameters are given to us equal to 11 and 3 meter. So the bigger one is my 11 meter and this smaller one is my 3 meter. So I have to find out the height of this circular ring. How to find out? You know that the process is going to be same, that the volume of cylinder is equal to the volume of the circular ring. So volume of cylinder is what? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and the volume of circular ring is what? Volume of circular ring will be, again, this circular ring will be somewhat similar to the cylinder. So we are going to use the formula of cylinder only, which is pi r square h. Now because two radius are there, so what we will do? We will use r1 square minus, sorry, r2 square minus r1 square into h, and let us suppose that this is my r square and this is my h, and suppose this is my h1. All these values are r1 r2 are just to differentiate. So now cancel out. What is getting cancelled out? R is getting cancelled out from both the side. So radius of this cylinder will be equal to what? Because diameter is given to us 3 meter, so radius will be 3 by 2 into height is what? Height is given to us equal to 14 meter is equal to r2 is what? R2 is my 11 square minus r1 is what? R1 is my 3 by 2 whole square, because both are the diameter. So to find out the radius, what we will do? We will divide the values by 2 into h1. So once you are going to solve all of this value, you will get your final answer as that h1 is equal to 1.125 meter. Okay. If you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to solve the remaining 5 questions of exercise 13.3. Till then, take care and bye bye.